Good evening.
Hello, good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
What are you eating? I feel so hungry when I saw you eating. What's that?
Corn.
It's a chocolate.
No.
It's a biscuit. Wow, I'm so hungry right now. All right, so thank you.
Sorry,
All right,
teacher.
so Bangok, before we can,
Teacher.
yes.
Sorry. I'm sorry, teacher. I'm so sorry, teacher.
Sorry about what?
I'm not listening, teacher, and
Oh, it's
I
okay. I truly understand that what.
okay, teacher.
Do not make it a big deal. It's okay for teacher. Okay, so just by next time, make sure when you played with your toys, just play it after our class. Okay?
Okay.
All right, because I am afraid that it will affect our class or it will affect your performance and maybe your mommy will not be happy. So let's make our mommies, our everything happy, okay?
Okay.
All right, but it's okay. Do not worry. Do not say sorry. It's okay to me. At least you know that playing at class is not good. All right.
Okay.
Okay, but I really appreciate you because even though that you were a bit distracted, you are still answering every questions that I ask, and also thank you so much for expressing sorry expressing your feelings. And also, baby, I am so sorry as well if teacher's voice is not good right now, but I hope you can still understand teacher and you can still hear and we can still have a good class tonight. All right?
Okay.
So if you have any questions, any clarifications, just let me know, okay? So that teacher can explain it. All right. So, Bangok, how are you today?
Okay. Good.
Okay, you're good. Okay, do like that. Can you do like this? A heart will appear. Oh, because some of teachers' class, when the student do like this, a lot of hearts appear on the screen. And also when do like this. And also like this. I don't know what
Okay.
happened. Oh, like that. It's so cute. Alright, so now Bongok, are you ready to start with our class, baby?
Okay, teacher.
Alright, so teacher is going to share the screen and wait. And here you go. Okay, please wait a second.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, can you see our screen?
Yes, teacher.
Can you see the textbook already, baby?
Yes.
Alright, that's great. Okay, so tonight we are going to have here. Okay, wait. Oh, wait. All right, it's here right now. Okay, we are going to have exercise letter D. Listen again and number the pictures. The teacher will be playing again the audio, just like yesterday, and you are going to number the pictures according to the audio, okay?
Okay, teacher.
All right, so as you can see, there are boxes. So you
Yes.
are going to put the numbers right in there. Okay, so teacher is going to play the audio, right?
D.
Go.
Listen again and number the pictures. 1,
This is my friend Abby and me. She's 7 years old. That's her kitten. Her kitten is small. We play together.
2,
That's my friend Sam and me. Sam is 8 years old. He has a bird. It's green.
3,
That's my friend Maria. She's 8 years old. Look at her lizard. We have fun together.
4,
Jack and I are good friends. He's 7 years old. Those are his goldfish. He has 3.
All right, so now do you want to listen again the audio, baby?
No, teacher.
Oh, now, all right. So in the number 1, what is this? What animal is that?
Number 1 is kitten.
All right, number 1 is kitten. How about number 2?
Number 2 is bird.
Bird, okay. How about number 3?
Number 3 is lizard.
Lizard. And number 4?
Fish.
All right, a fish. So from the 4 animals in the picture,
Goldfish.
which one do you
Goldfish.
like? Yes, that's
Gold-
a goldfish. Do you have a goldfish at house? I mean in your home?
No,
Oh no.
I do not have, but my sister has.
Oh, but your sister has. All right, so now baby, in the 4 animals in the picture, which one do you like the most? Okay,
I
in the
like
4. Okay.
I like kitten.
Oh, why do you like kitten?
I like it.
Because
I like because I like.
you like it because you like it. Okay, is it cute?
But I
What?
a kitten is very very pretty.
Oh, all right. It's very pretty and it's very, very, very cute. All right, so can you tell me what's the sound of a kitten? Do you know what's the sound of a kitten? It's so cute. Meow, 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 meow. Okay, again, Bangok, sorry about my voice. Okay, so next. We got here exercise letter D. Draw and talk about your friend. Use the words in the box to help. Okay, so first, teacher's going to going to play the audio, and we are going to listen first. Then after that one, we are going to talk about your friend. Then next, we are going to use the words in the
Page
box.
23. Communicate. Speaking.
Huh?
E. Draw and talk about your friend. Use the words in the box to help.
Okay.
This is Tim. He's my friend. He has a hamster. We play together.
All right. So now, baby, please read this one.
What?
This one, baby, can you please read it? This is him.
This is him.
He's my.
He's my friend. He
Uh-huh.
has a hamster. We play together.
Oh, we play together. All right, so now, Bangok, what you're going to do? Yes, wait. Give me a moment, baby. Okay, give me a moment.
What? This is
Yes, because what you're going to do is you need to draw. You need to draw your friend here. Okay, wait. Let me, okay, wait. Let me zoom in so that you can draw. Oh. So, all right. Oh, teacher's almost gone. Yay. Yeah. It's so cute. All right, so you are going to draw your friend together with the animal that he likes, okay? Or together with his pet or her pet. All right, so now Bangok, are you ready?
already.
Okay, and go. Okay, draw your friend. Go, go, bangok. Go, go, bangok.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Oh. Go, go, bangok. Go, go, bangok. Oh, what's the name of your friend?
Jamie.
Sherry or Shelly?
Jamie.
Oh, okay.
Jamie.
Okay, where is your friend right now? You haven't draw your friend. Okay, take your time, baby.
Together.
All right. Wow. We're done with the head. There's a mouth already, and she is smiling. Wow, with a long hair. Okay. All right. Is she going to wear a dress or a jacket, or what is she going to wear? All right. Wow. Again, how about the pet? All right, it's okay, baby. No pressure. Oh, oh, you're going to make again?
Teacher.
Okay.
What?
Go, go, bangok. Go, go, bangok.
Teacher.
Are you curious with your draw? You can do it, bangok. I know you can do it. So you can just make it simple if you want. If you are having a problem with the drawing, you can just make it simple, okay? And just remember to put the pet together with your friend. By the way, Bangok, did you eat already? Okay, what did you eat tonight?
No,
Oh, not yet?
no.
Oh, I see. Wow, yay, almost there. All right, how about the body? Go, go, Bangok. Go, go, Bangok. Is she going to wear a dress? All right. Okay, that's okay already. All right.
Sorry, teacher.
Yeah, it's okay. No, baby. No, baby. It's okay. That's very good. Your drawing is already good. Do not say sorry. It's okay. All right. And how about the pet? Okay, just put the pet right here and the body. Or maybe you can put it anywhere. Anywhere that you are comfortable, okay? You can put the pet
I don't.
anywhere.
I don't. I don't
What?
have ride the pet. Oh.
You can just draw anything.
You can't
Maybe a fish. Do you want me to draw a fish for you?
Fish. Con gì? Rabbit. Fish. Fish. No.
No, no. You can just draw anything that you can draw. The
Mouse.
what are you going to draw, baby? What pet you're going to draw?
Hamster.
Oh, a hamster.
Capybara.
Oh, the capybara. I have a capybara in here, but oh, it's outside. I have a capybara bag. Do you like capybara?
Yes.
Do you have capybara teddy
No.
bear? Oh, no. But you like them?
Yes.
Oh, just like me, I also like capybara. All right, it's okay. It's okay if you cannot make it perfect as you want. It's okay. I appreciate that, and thank you so much for doing your best. Okay.
Orange.
All right. Oh, an orange.
Cappy.
Oh, you're done? Okay.
Yeah.
What the? All right. Okay. Wait, can we take a picture with your drawing so that I have a remembrance of your drawing?
No.
You don't like to take a picture in it? You are shy of your drawing. No, do not be shy. Your drawing is good. I don't know. I don't even know how to draw. Your drawing is already good. All right. So
For
thank
me,
you so much. What? What, baby?
I'm draw
Are you still want to draw something?
here.
Okay. What is that?
Teacher, look.
Oh, you're coloring capybara.
Yes.
Straight ko. You're coloring capybara. How about the girl's dress?
I got the bottle.
Capybara is color? What color is capybara?
Brown.
Color brown.
Brown.
Capybara is color brown, not black. Oh, all right. It's okay already, baby. It's okay. All right. So now let's continue with our next lesson. Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
the rabbit.
All right. Okay. So we got here writing study. Okay. We have exercise letter F. Learn capitals for names. The first letter of a name is a capital letter. For example, Eliot. So the capital letter E is a capital. So now, which letters need to be capital letters? Okay, you are going to circle this one. So for example, letter S and sab needs to be capitalized. So how about next one? How about number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, and number 8? All right, so now are you ready? Ready, baby?
Ready.
Okay, and go.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Okay, how about number 2?
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, what's wrong, baby?
Mm,
What's wrong? Okay, so for example, your name. Okay, all right. Okay, mother H. You are going to make the capital letter of a name. So basically, that is on the first letter. Okay, how about number 2?
My name is Flower. My name is Flower.
All right. How about number 2, baby? Which letter need to be capitalized? Okay, how about number 2? Which letter needs to be capitalized? My grandmother.
E.
Yes, baby. And the number 2.
E.
Letter.
E.
Can you circle it?
Letter E.
Okay, so number 2, no need to capital the letter. Okay, how about number 3? Oh, no. You are going to make the capital letter on the first letter of the name. For example,
That's
Mary. So the first letter of the word Mary
Mary.
needs to be capital. Your name is Flower, right?
Okay.
What is your name, baby?
Flower.
Okay, Flower. The first letter of your name, which is letter F. So letter F needs to be capitalized. Okay, how about number 3?
Battery.
Okay, what letter do we need to capital? Or what letter do we need to change? Number 3.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay.
M.
Letter
M.
M. All right, please circle letter M. Okay, letter M. Okay, how about number 4? Do we need to capital the letter F? Do we need to change the letter F or no? And number
No.
4. Okay, how about number 5?
Number 5.
Okay, 2T.
30.
Okay, do we need to change the first letter?
T.
Letter T. Okay, please make a circle in the letter T.
T. T.
How about number 6? Do we need to change number 6?
My sister.
Do we need to
No.
change number 6, baby?
N.
All right, we are not going to change the letter M. How about number 7? What is number 7?
Number
Number
7.
7 is
Friend.
friend. Okay, how about number 7? Do we need to change the first letter of the word friend?
Teacher.
Yes, baby. Yes, baby.
Wait for me.
Okay, okay, baby. Hello, baby. Are you there? Hello? Hello, baby. Are you there?
Teacher, are you move scream on
What?
are you move scream on the right?
Oh, there's a rat? Oh, you're
Yes.
mute, baby. There's a rat?
Wait for me.
Oh, baby, wait. Wait, baby, wait, baby.
What?
Uh, I can no longer extend the time because I still have a class after this. So let's just have the class next time, okay? Bye-bye.